So here's 2 quick fixes if your Dyson is pulsing. It should normally sound like this. But then one day it'll start to do this. And you'll notice that these 2 lights are on. So you've emptied out the dust and it's still doing it. So the next step is easy. Just go to the back of the machine and right here there's a filter. Just grab it and give it about 1/8 of a turn. And you'll probably see that the filter is totally plugged. But no problem, these filters are fully washable. Just place it over your garbage and tap most of the debris off of it. Then just take it to your faucet, turn on the cold water, and go about rinsing the debris off of it. Then fill it up a bunch of times and give it a good shake with your hand over the top of it. Then take it and shake as much of the water out as you can. Then place it over a vent and let it dry for 24 hours. And before you put the clean filter back on, just give it a tap to make sure there's no extra debris in the back. And when you put it back on, these vents here go to the sides. And here's a small tip. This filter usually plugs up right when you're vacuuming, and you really don't have time to wash it and let it dry for 24 hours. So what I did was I bought this 3-pack for when this happens. And you can see they look exactly like the original, it's just that they don't have that sticker on the bottom of them. And they fit exactly the same as the original, except they're way cheaper. Plus you get 3 of them. And if you want to get some, I'll have them linked in the description under the video. And in scenario number 2, if it's pulsing and only your clogged pipe symbol is on, just use the simple process of elimination. You've cleaned out the main bin, now just have a peek inside to see if there's anything plugging it. Then have a look down the main pipe. Then finally check the main head. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.